Hi, this will be the 2020 update of my ceiling fan. It's been 2 months that I took off making videos. It's been 2 months I've stopped making videos because I was taking a break from making videos. This is my Power Max Builder ceiling fan, 52 inch, white, but it's a Blaze, not original. And soon the fan will be taken down and replaced with a Hampton Bay Landmark 3. Blade reversible bleached. I believe is washed or bleached onto white blades. So right here. Fan from 1993 of January. Alright. Now I'm gonna start the light first. Now start from low. And there's low. Yep, it's been almost 3 months since I took off making since I took off YouTube. But actually, I was making comments on videos. I wasn't doing videos because I was taking a break from making YouTube videos. Now I'm going to media. And I'm gonna have and soon I'll be having a Hampton. I'm gonna have a Hampton Bay Landmark 3 soon in this room. Yeah, soon I'm getting a Hampton Bay Landmark 3 from Home Depot. Soon, but not right now. Soon I'll get it whenever I get it, like in the middle school. Now for high speed. Now. You can tell the difference that it doesn't wobble that much on high no more. You can tell the difference now. It normally wobbled on high speed, but now it doesn't. Now I'm going to reverse and I'll show you how it really wobbles. I'm starting from high first. You can hear that I am watching SML. You can see the difference. It can really wobble. Look at that. Look at it wobble. Now medium. See, it wobbles the most of medium now. On this kind of direction. Wow, look at it. Oh, look at that! You see that? Alright, now on low. Wow. Oh yeah, it's wobbling now. It's wobbling so bad. Yep, it's on low. Now you can see it wobbling low. Now off. That's it. This is my 52-inch Power Max Builder ceiling fan from 1993. And I hope you enjoy. Bye.